are finally on the boat after almost a 4-hour drive to Oskarshamn, from where the cruise ferry takes off to go to Gotland. We have some seats for us. We have not taken cabins because it's a 3-hour boat, so we have taken seats, and we have seats somewhere in the front of the deck. But we said let's take some food, we'll eat some food and then we can relax on the deck. Now we are super hungry, so we're trying to go to the restaurant here.
What's it called? Moth serving?
No, moth serving is basically serving food.
Potato with meatballs.
Okay, Shatbullar. Okay. Okay.
So I am having rat salad on a bread. It's a very popular dish in Sweden, with freshly cleaned prawns, fresh prawns. Let's try it out. Very creamy.
Maira, how's your Swedish meatballs? Shatbulamelingon.
This is a big potato.
There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see. There's a sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by, all kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be?
We're finally reaching Gotland. I'm so excited. I've heard so much about this place. I'm just waiting to go and explore the city.
To belong in your arms, I hope you feel the same way too.
So we are out of the cruise. It took us about 3.5 hours on the cruise from mainland Sweden to Gotland, and so convenient that the car directly goes into the cruise and you get out and you just drive through and go to your destination. So it was super convenient. And we are now driving from Visby to Slite, which is about 30 minutes. It's a beautiful cottage by the sea, and the drive is amazing as well. So let's enjoy.
All kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. Na 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 I guess it would be nice to belong in your arms. I hope you feel the same way too. There's a place I have found in the shade on the ground, far from all worries and troubling sound. When I go there to be by myself, only me, no one can guess what I came there to see.
Okay, Annu, finally we're reaching at the
Yes,
Cruise
finally,
terminal.
We got a chance to have lunch because of that.
Because of our delay.
Missing our boat, missing the cruise. But yeah, we're back here and hopefully we get it. We're on time today. Or now, sorry.
Correct. I think you have to go behind me.
We have already started getting in. I think we can get there.
Yeah. We're going to be eaten by the chef. There we go.
Now we got something strong. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel.
After waiting for 45 minutes in the hot sun today, we get to get in.
Yeah, see how close these trucks are parked.
Oh my god,
They're
yeah.
literally like one truck.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my.
We are now on our way back, and the ship is packed with hundreds of cars and trucks returning back. This is how we travel to the beautiful island. Also, make sure you watch our previous episode on the top 5 places you must visit in Gotland. Thank you for watching. Do like, subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more exciting experiences from us. Bye.
That we